This real estate advantage property video is presented by Jason.genberg. Completely remodeled home conveniently located minutes from Fredonia or Westfield. This home has 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms with first floor laundry. Open floor plan and an eat-in kitchen. This home has been completely updated with new windows, new siding, new drywall, all new electric, new plumbing, new forced air furnace, new hot water tank, new kitchen, new baths, and new flooring throughout the home. This home also has a detached barn with 2 garage bays. Plenty of room for entertaining and storage. For more information, review the details below or contact Jason.genberg at 716-640-0426.